悪い親父、やめてくれ。ようこそ、皆さん。In this video, I'll be breaking down all the Japanese from the manga, Yotsuba. As you may have noticed, I'm a bit flatter than in previous videos. I'm experimenting with VTubing and I'll probably keep this format for a bit. We'll see how it goes. Last time, Fuka and Yotsuba were out on an errand to go buy some flowers. And like usual, on my right over here, you can see the manga. And then on my left, you can see the notes so that you can follow along. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments down below. Pew. So for our first panel, we have Furawa, Jumbo. So flower is just flower, and Jumbo is a familiar name. Then they're all excitedly coming in. And then Yotsuba's like, Jumbo da! So she's just surprised. And like, the fact of the matter is, it's Jumbo over there. Nice. Okay, so here we see Jumbo hard at work. He's like, Oreo? I'll be darned, what is it? Jumbo! Da, 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 da. So she's just yelling out his name and running over. And then Jumbo's all, Oh, Yotsuba, nanda? どうした? Oh, she's like, hey, Yotsuba, nanda, what's going on? And doshita is from dosuru. Do is in like how or in what way. And shita is the past form of suru, to do. So like, what are you doing? How are you doing this? How are you here? Yori, she's hopping up on the table. Alright, so here on the next panel, Yotsuba is Jumbo! お花屋さんで何してんだ? So Jumbo is just his name. This お花屋さん can mean like florist or flower shop. It means the shop right here. O is an honorific, being a bit more polite. Hana means flower. Ya means shop. And san means like mister. So with the san, that can mean like the florist, or it can be a familiar way to refer to like a small shop. And then de is at. So like at the flower store. Nani what? And then shiten is a te-iru colloquial form of suru. To first change suru into its te form, suru becomes shite. And then you would normally follow it by iru. But since this is a colloquial form, we're just doing with the After that, you do have to follow up with something like a na or a da right here. Just declarative. And that's just doing. So like, what are you doing? So altogether, it's Jumbo. What are you doing in a flower shop? なんだこれ? なんだと思う? The nanda is what? And the to here is just a quoting particle follow up with the omo, which is to think. So like, what do you think I'm doing here? Surrounded by all these flowers. I'm just being a normal ikemen, that's it. Oh, she's checking out his apron. Maybe there's a clue. She guesses, Ryori? Oh, is the honorific, and Yori is cooking, so it's like, are you cooking? Are you a chef? He's like, boo, oshina. Boo is like a buzzer sound. Nope, you're wrong. Oshi is like you're close. Oh yeah, florist and a chef are totally the same thing. And then na here is just emphasis. And then Fuka's just blurting out here. Jumbo-san? お花屋さんだったの? So here we have Jumbo is just his name. San is like Mr. And then Ohana-ya-san here is florist. So again, that honorific O, followed by Hana for flower, Yan for shop, and San, the same San for like Mr. And then Data is was, and then No makes it into a question. So like, Jumbo was a florist? Question mark? Gasp. Jumbo responds, Bing bong,せいかい. Yotsuba is flabbergasted. 言っちゃダメ. Yotsubaが合ってるの. Here is just like, And then 言っちゃダメ is the te wa ikanai form of you, which means to say. So that te wa ikanai is saying if you do something, it's bad. So icha, if you say that, dame, it's no good. You can't say that. And then Yotsuba talking about herself. And guys, for Yotsuba, ateru, to guess, it's my guess. And then no here is just adding emphasis. And more, it's just exasperation. I can't believe you've done this. So she's just like, you shouldn't have said that. It's Yotsuba's guess. Jeez. Fuka hastily apologizes. Gomen. Gomen just means sorry. She was like, oh, sorry. My bad. Yari naoshi. So this is just redoing. She demands a do-over. Oh, I get it. This is too cute. Ohanaya-san. So again, Ohanaya-san is just florist. Honorific flower shop mister. And Fuka here is like, what? You can't be serious. I just said that. But Jumbo is good enough to play along. He's like, Pimpon, die, sekai. So the ping-pong again is the like, you're right, ping-pong. The buzzer like in a game show or whatever. And then sekai means correct answer, but this time we have a die right here. So he's like, big right answer. You're the better right answer. So much better than Fuka. Poor Fuka, she always gets dumped on. Fuka's got some follow-up questions here. Jumbo-san, ここの店長さんですか? So, Jumbo, him, san, Mr. Koko is here. No links that to Tencho, which is shop manager. San again, so the Mr. Shop Manager. Des just adds politeness, and ka makes it into a question. So, Jumbo, are you the shop manager here? Question mark? いや、それはうちの親父が、帰ってきた。Yeah, no, sore is that. Wa makes that the topic. Uchi is like one's home or one's family. And then no links that to oyaji, which is like my dad. This is all pretty informal too. So it's like mappa. So it's like, no, that's my dad. He's the manager. Then he's like, oh, he's come back. This kaete kita is the teikuru past form of kaeru, which is to return or to come home. To first make it into its te form, kaeru would have a nu here, a godan nu here, and it gets swapped out to a tanitsu and a te for its te form. And then you would add on kuru for kaete kuru, which is like doing that or doing that and coming home. And then you change it out to a past form. So like he has done it. He has returned here. And then as for Papa Jumbo, いらっしゃいませ. This is just like a popular phrase when you come into a shop. It's like, welcome to my shop. It's like you usually don't have to like respond or anything. It's just a nice thing they say when you go in their shop. Jumbo, なんだこれ? これ、客じゃねえから。ごめん。Also, he's like, this customer, kyaku is customer, and jane is just a casual form of janai, which means is not, and kara is because. And this because is like, because this thing is not a customer. You don't have to be nice. You don't have to welcome him. This thing ain't a customer. You don't gotta worry about her. And she's like, これ言うな. Kore is the same kore, which means this. And you is just a different way to pronounce iu, which means to say. And then na here makes it negative. So like, don't say this. Or like, don't call me this. I'm a person. Use my name, please. Thank you. There's a big machigai. There's about to be a misunderstanding going on here. Papa Jumbo is all like, ooh. It's like, It's like, oh, I get it. You don't know. He's so, like, into it. なんだ新しい彼女かよYeah. So Nanda's like, what? Atarashi is new. Kanojo is girlfriend. Ooh. Comics into a question. Yo is emphasis. So he's like, what? Have you got yourself a new girlfriend? Nice. Ooh. 前の子よりべっぴんさんだ。振られてよかったな、たかし。悪い親父、やめてくれ。I'm embarrassed on Takashi's behalf. So Mai is before. No links that to ko, which means child. So the kid from before. And it's not as weird in Japanese to refer to a lady as a kid. And then Yori is like more than, so more than that other kid. Beipin. Beipin is beautiful woman. Bishoujo dayo. And San again is like Miss or Mr. They don't have like anything different on this level based on your gender, so it's San whether it's a girl or a boy. And then Da is declarative. So this is awful. So he's like, she's way prettier than the one you had before, the girl from before. And if that wasn't bad enough, just wait. Furarete is the te form of furareru, which is to be rejected or dumped. So there would just be like a ru right here that gets swapped out for its te, nice and easy. So then that's just and linking it to this yokata. And this yokata is the past form of e, which is good. Whenever you conjugate e, you change it to yoi. And then the e from that gets changed to kata because this is an adjective. And that's how you make adjectives to their past form. And then this one is just emphasis na. And then Takashi is Jumbo's real name. Gasp. So it's like, it's good that you were dumped, Takashi. It's like, this girl's so much prettier than the last one. Good thing she dumped your butt. Oh no. But for now, I think I'm gonna call it here. We'll have to find out what other terrible, embarrassing things Papa Jumbo has in store for us. Congratulations on making it all the way to the end. Bachi. Thanks for sticking around. If you enjoyed it, if you hopefully had a little bit of fun, maybe, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. まったねー